Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about CITES. CITES is Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. Fauna is animal species and flora is plant species. CITES is an international agreement which was signed by 184 parties, means 184 countries in 1973. India also became signatory to CITES agreement in 1976. What happened in 1963? At the meeting of IUCN members, which was held in Kenya in African continent. IUCN is International Union of Conservation of Nature, and all the members decided to draft CITES agreement for the control of international trade of endangered species. And in 1973 this agreement was opened for signature, and in July 1, 1975 CITES agreement came into force. Aim of CITES is to ensure international trade in animals and plants does not has to affect their survival. We'll understand this with one example. We'll take a red sanders species. You have seen this red sanders in Pushpa movie, guys. This red sanders species is endemic to India and it is an endangered species. Heavy export of these red sanders will lead to extinction of this species. To control trade of such a species, this CITES was established. And whatever species covered by the CITES are listed in different appendixes based on their conservation status. And CITES has 3 appendixes: Appendix 1, Appendix 2, Appendix 3. In Appendix 1, extinct species were listed. In Appendix 2, not extinct but in future they may extinct species were listed, and in Appendix 3 the species which were recommended by member countries were listed. Secretariat of CITES is in Geneva, Switzerland, and CITES was administered by UNEP, that is United Nations Environmental Program, and Secretariat of UNEP is in Kenya. Recently CITES was in news because of this CITES RST process. RST is Review Scientific Trade. Review Scientific Trade. As CITES removed India from this CITES process for the trade of red sanders. Here RST process is kind of certification to check whether the member country is following CITES agreement or no in the trading of particular species. If CITES will get a doubt on particular country, means it will add that country in this RST process. And recently India was removed from this RST process in the trade of red sanders. And recently 19th meeting of CITES was held in Panama city of Panama country. Panama country is in South America, and this meeting was held in 2022 November, and this meeting held was COP19, Conference of Parties meeting 19th. Thank you guys. We'll meet in next video. Thank you for watching.